Okay, we're first doing the tahini. Oh no, chickpea miso. Right? Let's see if I remember.
That's right.
Yes, go for it. Doing some chickpea miso. With some kale and broccoli.
Your mom just messaged me saying, "Morning, give me a big hug for me. This is Well, she just messaged me that. I don't know. This is what happened.
And voila.
Nick and I just...
Situation here. This is a whole new, it's daikon radish and another one? Or daikon, is it radish?
The top one is daikon radish, and then the underneath that is...
Alfalfa?
No, it's broccoli and kale and purple calabri.
Ooh. Wait, all three in one?
Yeah, this one is all three in one.
Wow, this is what happens to the sprouts 3 days later. That's amazing.
Has it been only 3 days?
Yeah, it's the 23rd today, right?
Yeah, it grows fast in the summer.
Super
especially.
fast, and it looks so different when it's sprouted. We're trying a new wrap today. This is going to be a spicy wrap. I'm not going to lie, the almonds, they're a trip. Yum. We're going to try this out. First time. It's spicy, but it's pretty good. I like it.